I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to send someone a PDF using the Facebook Manager website. Have you ever needed to send a PDF file to someone quickly and Facebook Messenger felt like the best option? Whether it's a document for work, school, or just sharing interesting articles with friends, Messenger can be your go-to solution for sharing PDFs. The only thing to keep in mind is that you can only send someone a PDF in Facebook Messenger using the Messenger.com website and not using the Messenger mobile app. In this video, I'll show you how to send a PDF file through the Facebook Messenger website, making sharing your PDF file quick and easy. Now let's walk through the steps to send someone a PDF using the Facebook Messenger website. Step 1. Open a web browser and navigate to messenger.com and then sign in to your Facebook account if prompted. You'll land on your Facebook Messenger home screen. Step 2. Open the Facebook Messenger conversation where you want to send someone a PDF and then click the Attach a File icon next to the area where you would type your message. The Attach a File icon looks like a picture of a hill. A window opens asking you to choose the file you want to send to these conversation participants. Step 3. Find the PDF file you want to send to the people in this conversation. Click to select that file and then click Open. That window will close and you'll see an icon associated with that PDF in the message field. Step 4. Click Send. That PDF will be sent to all participants in this conversation where they will be able to open it on any device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.